The AHS is one of the oldest national gardening organizations in the USA. The society has been a trusted source of horticulture and gardening information since 1922. And it continues to inspire people with its social, educational, and environmental duties. For instance, the National Children and Youth Garden Symposium is held every summer. This provides a forum for educators, community leaders, and designers to inspire children. AHS has always envisioned a land of sustainable gardens with a passion for gardening. And it shares these skills and education to its visitors. Speaking of sustainability, the River Farm at Virginia is a true inspiration. River Farm was once part of George Washington's farms. The 25-acre site became the AHS headquarters in 1973. Its famous vistas stretch down the Potomac River. A children's garden, flower displays, and a 4-acre meadow are part of it. Moreover, it's a popular destination for weddings, picnics, painters and bird watching. Besides, it also features perennial borders among a series of gardens. And this ensures diversity and dynamic nature of the garden. Each zone of the garden exhibits an array of colors, texture, sizes based on the bloom season. But, what does the AHS offer? AHS Manor House is surrounded by native trees and shrubs. A variety of perennials and annuals give the garden a dynamic nature. This makes it attractive during spring when bulbs bloom in thousands. Moreover, some species date back over a century. The 4-acre André Blumel meadow showcases native grasses and wildflowers. In fact, some trees have been standing tall for centuries. For instance, a black walnut tree dates to the time of George Washington himself. Indeed, a link through the eras. The garden features trees, shrubs, and perennials under full or partial shade. A large tree called Osage orange gives most of the shade. As a matter of fact, the tree is over 200 years old. Visitors are likely to spot bluebirds, bald eagles, ospreys, hawks and red foxes. Coupled with the diversity of butterflies and insects, you may be surprised by the wildlife garden as well. A small pond is the center of attraction, including goldfish, frogs, and turtles. The surrounding plants give food and shelter to birds, grasses, pollinators, shrubs, and perennials. There's something for the kids too. River Farm's children's garden consists of small themed gardens. Indeed, a good inspiration for the kids to interact with nature. River Farm also encourages people to grow eco-friendly gardens. And the Green Garage does just that. Showcasing a variety of tools, materials, equipment, and methods for sustainable gardening. Naturally, all these details help gardeners make better gardening decisions. And if this is not enough, their orchard will surely delight you. Apple, pear, and Japanese persimmon trees create an alluring display. As a result, there's plenty of fruit during summer and fall. Another famous horticulture garden is the one at Michigan State University. Its 14-acre horticulture gardens is a good inspiration for plant lovers and garden fans alike. The intricate design features annuals, perennials, fruits, vegetables, shrubs, and trees. It is indeed a place that educates and delights people of all ages. To emphasize, they encourage people in understanding plants and their role in the environment. More importantly, how it affects our lives. The Carter Annual Garden showcases hundreds of trials of annuals. It is in fact, a great opportunity to learn about various plants that are rare, unusual, bright, and colorful. What's more, all the plants are labeled for information. Similarly, the Jalapa perennial gardens are a must-visit. With a blend of island and border beds, the variety of perennials is abundant. As a matter of fact, there are over 500 perennials in the garden. Moreover, its displays feature both shade and sun gardens. Be sure to get your kids along. Because the Michigan 4-H Children's Garden is truly a delight for children of all ages. With over 60 theme displays, it's set to bring joy to the entire family. MSU has something for everyone. From the Frank's Nursery and Crafts Rose Garden to a VIP garden. And each of them has a different theme every year. The 7-acre Lewis Landscape Arboretum features Japanese and English gardens, fruit displays, prairie plants, and so much more. Lastly, the Jules Janik Horticulture Garden is one that stands out from the rest. This garden is part of the Department of Horticulture at Purdue University. It was named after Dr. Janik, one of their oldest faculty members. The garden was created in 1982 and is home to hundreds of ornamental plants. Herbaceous perennials are the center of attention at Jules Janik. Additionally, there are enough annuals for color variety during growing season. Jules Janik has an abundant plant diversity. The half-acre living classroom plays the role of a horticulture lab. And it offers learning programs like botany, plant pathology, and entomology. Another interesting fact is the variety of soil and controlled climate at Jules Janik. This is equally important for growing unique plants. Visitors are delighted with the ever-changing plants and colorful flowers all year round. Indeed, a very mesmerizing garden. I hope you are inspired to start your own little horticulture garden. Feel free to share your views and ask questions in the comments section below.